Hello, everyone. My name is Ramira, aka Mira the Goddess 22. You can find me on all of your social media platforms. I am 29 years old from Atlanta, Georgia, stay at home mom of three wonderful boys, and I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. So today we're going over the Candlestick Bible, and today's maybe a little bit long because we're putting two in one. But the Candlestick Bible, Trading Bible, is a free download. You can download it on any of your internet browsers, or if you would like to purchase, I'll be more than happy to share the Amazon link below. If this is your first time watching, I definitely recommend that you start watching this video and go watch the previous videos so you could be able to get caught up on what's going on. They are labeled based off the content chapters that you see here. And today we are actually going over two things: trading the false breakout of the inside bar pattern, and then the inside bar false breakouts trading examples. So let's get into it. And if I don't have time to go into the market to find breakouts, we have one over the examples, so it shouldn't be an issue. All right, so how to trade the false breakout of the inside bar candlestick pattern. Have you ever placed an order with confidence, thinking that the market is going to go up, but price hits your stop loss before it starts, turning out to your predicted direction? I have been a victim of stop hunting, and I was very disappointed that that happened several times in the market. That is true. I definitely am a witness of that. All right, so it says banks and financial institutions know how we trade the market. They know how we think and where we put our stop losses and profit targets. This is the reason why they could easily take money from us. One of the most famous strategies that big players use to take money from novice traders is called stop loss hunting strategy. The strategy consists of driving prices to a certain level where there are massive stop orders, and the purpose is to create liquidity, because without liquidity, the market will not move. Once stop losses are hung, the market goes strongly in the predicted area. The interaction between big participants and novice traders create repetitive patterns in the market. One of the most important candlestick pattern that illustrates how big financial institutions manipulate the market is the inside bar false breakout pattern. Your understanding of this repetitive setup and your ability to detect it on your charts will help you better exploit it to make money instead of being a victim of market makers and banks manipulations. This price action signal is formed when price breaks out from the inside bar pattern, then quickly reverse too close within the range of the mother bar. See the illustration below. Okay, and then they have the bullish one here. It says, as you can see, there's two types of this price action pattern: a bullish inside bar false breakout that forms when the market is trending down, and it's also considered a bullish reversal signal when it is formed near key support or resistance level. A bearish inside bar face false breakout that occurs in a bullish trend, and it is seen as a bearish reversal pattern when it is found near an important level in the market. This setup can be considered as a continuation pattern if it is traded within the trend. All right, and then it says inside bars, false breakout trading examples. So, in my own experience, the most important levels that traders should look for to trade the signal are the following. All right, so they have support and resistance levels and supply and demand areas. That is one. It says Fibonacci retracement levels, particularly the 50 and 61 retracement levels. 21 moving averages, and trend lines and trending markets, horizontal levels and range bound markets as well. All All right, it says here an example of how to trade inside bar false breakout in a trending market. All right, so it looks like we have a downtrend that takes place. We have our support and resistance bar. Okay, so the inside bar false breakout hunting stop. Okay, and then support becomes now resistance with this false breakout. And then she continues in a direction. It says, as you see in the chart above, the market was trending down. That indicates that sellers are in control of the market. So if you decide to sell the market near the resistance level, all probabilities will be in your favor. But the question is when to enter the market and where to put my stop loss. If you enter the market aggressively before the breakout of the mother candle, you could put your stop loss above it. The market will take your stop loss and go in the predicted area. See the illustration below. All right, it says, as illustrated above, big players hunt novice traders' stops before pushing the market to go down. If your stop loss was near the resistance level, you would be out as well if you don't understand the reason why. And it's simply because you were a victim of big players hunting stop strategies. Okay. If you are familiar with trading the inside bar false breakout, you will understand what happened in the market and you will simply take advantage of this manipulation instead of being trapped by the market. And then it has, see the example below. It says, as it is illustrated above, the inside bar false breakout gave us a good selling opportunity. If you are able to identify this setup and you understand the psychology behind it, there should be no reason not to get into this position. Okay, so let's see if we can find one. I thought this was going to be a little bit longer because it was saying with the examples, but let's see if we can find one. Yeah, let's see 30. So let's see where we have a false breakout. I want to use something that we haven't used before. Oh, this is a good one. I actually like this one. Okay. All right. So with some of the examples that they said, it says, in my own experience, the most important levels that traders should look for to trade the signal are the following: support and resistance and supply and demand areas. All right. So let's find some support and resistance. There's the supply and demand areas. Um, oh, what is that? And that's probably a false breakout up there too. I'm gonna take a look at that right quick. And I kinda like this. That's zero. Okay. Retrace. And she came and took us out there. See, they want the entry to be right here. Right after this candle. This form. Okay. I'm more of an evening star. Yes, this is, but I don't see a fake out right there. I want to see if we can find another one. I don't like this one. There is an inside bar candle right here, but then this candle takes place as if it is going bullish. This was where we should have entered. I like this candle. Let me show you guys. See, I just don't like this candle right here. But then this is the false breakout. This is our great selling opportunity. We would enter in here and then she will go down. But I just don't like this one candle. I do not like this one candle. So I'm going to put, I want to go on lower time frame, but I'm going to put like a, I don't know, an X or something. I'm going to put this. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can go on a lower time frame though. Inside bar. Oh, this. So I guess the retracement comes. This is a level here. Oh, that was a big false breakout right there. Oh, I like this one. This one is better, guys. This one is way better. All right, so on a 4 hour time frame, um, all right, so here we have our baby, our inside bar. I did just find a support and resistance area. So there's two candles right here. We have our our inside bar. This was the false breakout based off this candle, and they were saying that we will have to enter um, like literally right after that candle closed. All right. There's no reason to get in. I know that's all right. So we would enter there, and right after it, we're at our resistance level. And just taking it to that next support resistance level, I'll be okay with that. 121, only risking 32 pips. All right. I actually like this setup. I like this setup. That one's good. Then her support, she then becomes resistance. Bearish engulfing has been formed again, and you can sell her again. And that, oh my gosh, I just love when it goes down to the next ones, next levels. I'm only trying to spot like those fake outs. This was a fake out right here, but I don't see an actual inside bar in that case. So this could be one here again, a bearish inside bar. Just those candles, right? So being that we are, and I bet you on a lower time frame, it'll probably be a way much easier. How much are you willing to risk? Are you gonna risk 80 pips? 80 for 80? No. I don't like that one. That would have been a high, a high stop loss. But if we not worried about this, we would have to wait. She actually came and just 126 in a 4 hour candle. I guess yes, that would be a good setup, but our entry. See, with this one is like right after. I don't like the candles in between. I want something that's like literally right after. Our sale order is right after that. Okay. So if that was the case, short right after here, right after that candle is formed, stop loss still here to our 4 hour support and resistance. Now only risking 56 to go to the next daily support key level. 97 is not quite a 2-in-1 risk reward, But if we were just trying to get those right there, wait for our actual confirmation that we see here, and then we'll roll her down, and probably would have caught that. All right, so we have two examples. Sorry. Okay, right there and right here. I like this one. This one's way much better. And the stop hunt is like literally right after each other. So I'm gonna post that example, and I'm also gonna post this example as well. Mm, yes, this is an inside bar, right? But she didn't give us a false breakout. All right, so there is a trade in the inside bar breakout, false breakout patterns. Sorry about that. And then, so our next time we are going to go over trading inside bar phrase false breakouts with Fibonacci retracements. And then we're going to have our trade examples, money management strategies. Let me look at something right quick. It talks about the Fibonacci, but Fibonacci is a really, you got to get Fibonacci down pat. It's really more detail. So I'll probably do two separate things with that. Well, it's gonna be three different videos to be honest, because money management, I love to talk about money management by itself because we need to make sure that we're going through that. So money management, and probably let's see. Yeah, we could finish off money management and the conclusion all together, guys, and then the other two is the trading inside bar phrase false breakout Fibonacci retracements and trade examples are going to be two different videos today. So Monday I can do false breakouts, and if I have more time I can probably do trade examples. But then by Tuesday we should be done with, or Wednesday, sorry, we should be done with money management strategies. Ooh. So I'm looking forward. We almost there, guys. This is not a race, so don't feel like you need to rush through this. It took us a while to actually get through this book, as you can see based off our videos. A little bit about the videos that I want to highlight. People cannot find me based off Mary the Goddess 22 and YouTube for I don't know what reason, but you could be able to find me based off my name here. So no worries. Just like, subscribe, share, reach out to me, tell me how everything is going, what you may need some assistance with, or what you think about my videos, how I've been doing. I'll see you guys later on tonight for our Sunday market overview, our outlooks to see what may be happening this current week. I'm not going to get too much about what's happening this week until our next video when I go live tonight. But you guys have a great day, a great week. If your week has not already started yet, I hope it will be the best for you. I hope you guys make some profits. Like I said, like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all of the social media platforms. You guys have a good one. Later.